Welcome. In this video, we will look at how we can use the Inventory Turnover Analysis app in SAP S/4HANA in order to do a comprehensive analysis of material turnover, stock at hand, and historical consumption patterns. Let's look at some of the benefits of having good control of inventory turnover. First, it allows for easy identification of which inventory contributes to increasing the working capital. Secondly, it gives the ability to accurately track, trace, and account for all items of inventory in the supply chain. Lastly, you will be able to analyze accurate inventory data in real time. Let us start by explaining a few keywords. Inventory turnover is measured by most companies. One way to view inventory turnover is the number of times a business sells and replaces inventory within a specified time frame. Time frame is periodic and can be, for example, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Obsolete inventory is a term that refers to inventory which has not been sold or used for a long period of time, and is not expected to be sold in the future. This type of inventory must be written down and can cause large losses for a company. Before we turn to the actual system demonstration, we will discuss a few concepts. Inventory has its clear purpose in a supply chain context. It allows the inventory holder to meet customer expectations by ensuring on time, in full deliveries. The inventory helps streamlining the fulfillment process, as sufficient inventory safeguards the operations. You also need to balance inventory levels against cost of capital. Inventory turnover analysis is performed on the subset of materials, for which the inventory analyst is responsible. Material on stock analysis is performed on a single material at a time, to determine frequency of receipts and consumption, as well as current stock levels. Analyze historical consumption is performed to see if there are any patterns, which can be seen developing over time, as an aid in decision making. In our scenario, we will analyze a material by looking at the inventory turnover, stock at hand, and historical consumption. Selecting the Inventory Turnover Analysis app. We use the filter to decide on the time frame for our ad hoc inventory turnover analysis. The analysis period can be selected ad hoc, as the data is on the lowest granular level. We can select our work items, either by marking the relevant materials on the screen, or by marking an area. The selected items can then be sorted, according to different criteria. The material planner chooses to work with the material with the lowest turnover first. The period of the analysis, inventory value including the historical trend, as well as consumption data per period, monthly in our case, is visible for the material planner. In the aggregated monthly view, you can see that goods receipts and goods issues are quite even. In the more granular analysis, you can see that we have very large goods receipts once a month. You can also see that the consumption is quite stable. Perhaps it would be possible to alter the procurement pattern. The material planner decides to send an email to the responsible procurement professional. Together they will be able to decide if it is more advantageous to purchase the item more often in smaller quantities. The link in the email will allow the procurement professional to enter the tile with the exact same filter criteria which the material planner used. Inside the Inventory Analytics app, there is also contextual information available. We choose to look at the stock levels for the material. The information is available in an Excel-like table format, containing the real-time information on each stock type available. The planner will only see the organizational units, for which she is responsible. It is also possible to view the same information in graphics. The material planner also has historical data available in the same screen. This data can be used to spot trends in the inventory position, which may be important for making the sourcing decision. The functionality shown in this video is available in S/4HANA, whether deployed in cloud or on-premise. Before we end this video, let us recap some of the benefits of using SAP S/4HANA Enterprise Management to manage our inventory. First, it allows for easy identification of which inventory contributes to increasing the working capital. Secondly, it gives the ability to accurately track, trace, and account for all items of inventory in the supply chain. Lastly, you will be able to analyze accurate inventory data in real time. Thanks a lot for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. More videos like this coming shortly. See you then.